Hey guys, hello guys, it's me, Cynthia. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Cynthia ELEWUWA. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing okay. Yeah guys, the case of this coronavirus is getting out of hand, so everyone please be careful, take care of yourselves and your kids, okay? Please do take care of yourselves, okay? We're all gonna survive this. It's just a phase, it will just come and go. Alright guys, on today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how I created this beautiful look, this beautiful matte look. I mean, I'm not so much into matte, okay? I always like to add a little sparkle, shimmer, glitter on my eye looks, but today I just don't know what happened. I just decided to create a matte pinkish look, and yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy watching it, okay? If you want to see how I created it, just hang on with me, don't go anywhere. Let's go, let's go. So guys, as usual, I have primed my face and foundation, and I've done my brows as well. I've also put on the eyeshadow base on my eye. So right now I'm gonna start off with the eyeshadow, and I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette volume. So guys, the first shade I'm gonna be transitioning with will be Perfectionist. So using a fluffy blush using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take Perfectionist, and I'll just start right here and start transitioning. Just gonna put it all over my crease. So now I'll be going in with this shade Dance Party, and then I will just start from the corner of my eyes and blend. So now I'll be going in with this shade Stay True, and keep blending this outer corner of my eyes just to make it a little deeper. Now I'll be going in with Tempress, the black shade. Let's continue making the crease a little deeper. Guys, I'll be going in with this shade Tipsy Girl, and I'll put Tipsy Girl right here. Now I'll be going in also with this Lolly Mama. This is Lolly Mama. Now I'll place Lolly Mama just right beside Tipsy Girl, just so the mama will be able to take care of the Tipsy Girl. Now the next shade I'm gonna be taking is Lolly Mama and Certified, this white shade right here, and back to Lolly Mama, and I'm just gonna apply it right here. Now I mix the two because I want it to be soft and I want it to fade. I don't want it to just roughly move into the next shade, no. So I wanted it to fade and softly move in. I'll be lining my lid with this black, very black eye pencil, and I'll just start right here. So what I'm gonna do now is, using this brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge out this eyeliner, smudge it out, you know, and make sure there are no spaces around it. Just make everything black. Now I'll be using my favorite mascara from Too Faced, which is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, to define my lashes. So I'm gonna be using my ELEWUWA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to go ahead and highlight my under eyes. Now I'm gonna be contouring using my Stila Cosmetics Deep or Shape and Shade Custom Contour in Deep. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and bake with my Huda Beauty baking / setting powder, and this is in the shade Cinnamon Bun. Now for my under eyes, I'm gonna be using Dance Party. I'm gonna go ahead and just start sweeping it in. Now I'll go ahead and take Lolly Mama and Tipsy Girl together. Now I'm also gonna go ahead and take the black shade which is Tempest, and I'll start from the outer side and I'll blend it in just halfway at the middle. I'll stop right at the middle and I'll just keep sweeping it back and forth from the outer to the middle, and I'll be stopping right at the middle. For my lower lashes, I'll be using my Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Contour. Now I'll be setting my contour using my Kat Von D Shade and Light, and I'll be using the shade Sombre to set my contour. Now I'll be bronzing my face using my MAC Cosmetics Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. For my waterline, guys, I'll be using my NYX Cosmetics Blue Slide On Glide On Stay On, definitely true on water, I don't know, waterproof eyeliner is blue, so I'm gonna be using it for my water. So guys, using a lip liner from Maybelline I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. And using another lip liner, this one is in pink shade. I'm gonna use it to start filling my lips. Now I'll be using my MAC lipstick in the shade Frost. I'm not sure if you can see. So I'm going to be placing it right on my lips. And I'll be using my highlighter from Becca Cosmetics in the shade Rose Gold. I'm going to be using it to highlight my face. Now for my blush, I'll be using my favorite ball blush from Pharmacy. It's an old blush of mine, and I'm just gonna apply it right here on my cheekbone, just on top of that highlighter. And now guys, I'll be finishing up my look with my setting spray. And now you have it guys, this is the final look of this beautiful soft matte eye makeup tutorial, eyeshadows tutorial. This is the final look. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching like I did creating it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share guys, share. If you like what I'm doing, please do share my videos so that other people will see it and make this channel a beautiful one. Okay, so also comment and let me know if this look is something you would like to recreate, or you would like to, you know, or something you can pull off or wear, or something you think you cannot, maybe it's too, I don't know, it's too beautiful. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for hanging with me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, ooh, this look is, this is kind of a romantic look, a date night look, you know. It's kind of soft and anyway, see you guys on my next video. Thank you and bye bye. Bye guys.